What's up, everybody? I'm Nick and welcome back to Appliance Educator. Today I'm going to teach you how to do some basic maintenance of what can be a very expensive cutting board. Today we have the Boost. This is about a 24-inch by 18-inch cutting board here, and we're going to show you what to do. We're going to clean it first, and then we're going to give it some of the mystery oil. And those are some of the basic steps. There's some more advanced steps you can go on, but we're going to keep it simple today. So let's get into it. All right, so I've got my bucket of warm water here because I don't have a sink in my studio right now. So this is gonna work, trust me. So we'll take our cutting board, and one big myth is that you only wash one side. Not true, you wash both sides. So bring it in here with a nice sponge. Get some of our dish soap. I prefer Dawn. You can use whatever you want though, I don't care. And we're just gonna give it a nice scrub down on both sides. So make sure we get both sides. Get all of our nasties off of there. The grease, the tomato, the old onion. This board gets a lot of use around here. If you haven't seen all of our cooking videos, then go check them out, huh? Make some delicious ribs. Made some chicken. Appliance Educators, we know how to serve you a delicious meal as well. So, I mean, all cutting board is going to be a little bit different with how dirty it is, obviously, with what you're putting on it, but just give it a good clean down. Nice scrub. This baby does a lot of work for you, so treat it nicely back, huh? All right, so got a good scrub on this. We'll give it a nice rinse down, and then we'll go dry it off. So I'll see you after I finish this scrubbing down. All right, so we've done scrubbing it. Now we just need to dry it. So we'll just get a nice lint-free microfiber towel here and give it a nice pat down, get all that excess water and whatnot off of the board. And we're going to want to do both sides. All right, so it's pretty well dried here, and we're going to let it continue drying by standing it up on one of its sides overnight so it can really air out. And then when we come back, we're going to oil it up. So let's let this sit overnight, and we'll come back in the morning and polish her up. All right, so we've let the board sit overnight. It's nice and dry. Now, the mystery oil. So what you're going to want to do is just give it a nice coat. You don't want puddles, but you want a nice even coat all over this board. Every nook and every cranny. And what we'll do here is we'll just use our hands and we'll give the board a nice massage.
Aquel día el instinto nos decía que esa noche juntico no quería, que las ganas bebé nos ganaría, pero no fue así. Vamos lento, ya que si nos apuramos no disfrutamos del momento.
And we're going to do this with both sides. And this compound is pretty much just a mineral oil. There's some other kinds of things in here, but it is made for food safe product. So there's nothing harmful in here. So don't worry about that. Okay, that's pretty good on this top side. I'm going to flip her on its side. And I think I got enough on my hands, honestly, to go ahead and give it the top and side. Pull it on my hand. Feel like I'm just a wood cutting board masseuse here. You can imagine how good a massage feels for yourself. Just think about the good treatment you're giving your wood cutting board. This is hydrating for the wood. It helps kind of seal it in and keep its shape. Because there's nothing worse than when you get a cutting board and it's kind of wobbly and you go to cut your veggies or meat or whatever it is and it starts rocking and rolling all over the place. Let's avoid that. Let's show our cutting board some love. All right, we're looking pretty good here. So the final step that we're going to do today is let it dry. So again, we're going to keep it on its side. And we're going to let this dry and not use it for about 3 to 4 hours. So after that, we should be feeling like we got a brand new board. Go ahead and wash your hands. I mean, like I said, it's non-toxic, it's food safe, so there's nothing harmful that's going to damage your skin or anything like that. It might actually help moisturize your skin. I don't know that for sure, but I mean, it's moisturizing wood. Probably okay to get on your hands. All right, so thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit that bell to get notifications when we have new stuff coming out. Check out the podcast. Check out the merch store and get one of these fly aprons. And leave a comment if you have any other tools or directions that you would have gone to, maintain your cutting board. They do have creams on top of this to help moisturize it even more. I'll put a link in the comments or the description for that as well as the mineral oil and the board itself. So thanks for tuning in and we'll see you next time. All right, I'm ready for the 4 o'clock wood. Oh man, buddy, you're in rough shape. You have to bring out the heavy guns.